To make this file into a 2D asset, we start off by pressing numpad 3 for side view, then press Ctrl Alt numpad 0 for camera to view, and then set the camera type to orthographic to make it properly 2D. Then you can change the scale. So let's set it around here. Next we need to make the background transparent, so go into the render settings, go down to film, and then enable transparent. And then in order to add some color to the model, we're going to select the light, turn it into a sun, and then set the strength to around 5. And then you can press R twice to rotate the sun freely. And then I'm also going to select the model, add a new material, and then let's make it green, for example. And then you can also change the shader type if you want to. And then next, we can go into the output settings and change the resolution of the asset. So I'm just going to give it a simple 1K by 1K resolution. And then next, you can go to render and then render image. Then you go to image and then save as, and then save it wherever you want on the computer, drag it into Godot, and there you have it.